open these presents, Carter?
You go open them?
Hey, Mommy. These three? I'm gonna rip it.
You want to rip it?
Yes,
Go rip it.
Put on my back. I wonder what. Oh, there's a book.
Oh, it's a book. What books are they?
What do you think that is?
The Mickey Mouse.
Let me see.
So
The
Santa Brat.
choo-choo.
A choo-choo book.
Look, you got little
There's
figures.
more Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's still because of the tape. We are acid,
Flip it over.
We are
Start it right here.
acid. Mommy, I always wanted these.
You did? Always?
What is it?
You can make stuff with it.
Is that a game?
No,
I had that game when I was a kid.
it's not really a game.
It's a game.
Cooties.
It's called Cooties.
That's a fun game, buddy.
It is.
Yeah, it's a really fun game.
It's a Thomas. What is this? Do it.
What's his?
The Lego set. Look.
Which one is it?
No one there.
The police station.
What's there?
It's Play-Doh.
Yeah. This.
Rip it. Here. Finish taking the paper off.
Baby.
Look, it's the 3 little pigs. His Play-Doh is 3 little pigs.
Oh, Carter, that's really awesome.
Cool.
That's all Mommy, Daddy has a lot of presents for you
All right.
that are in your store.
I must have been a good girl.
And you have something that is sweet.
What is a square?
That's Mickey Mouse. Show me what's in it.
What?
You want me to show you what's in it?
No, I want it to be a surprise.
Duck. I can do.
What is it?
The duck.
A duck
That'll be easier.
There's a piggy.
and a piggy.
That Landon.
It's cute. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. You're welcome. You're so sweet.